How to retrieve deleted TikTok videos. To get started, I'll go ahead and open up the TikTok application. As you can see, we're now in the TikTok homepage. Here you can explore and view TikTok Reels. Once you are on this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here you can edit and view your profile information. Now go to the top right corner and tap on the 3 horizontal bars. After that, go to Settings and Privacy. Then go to Activity Center. Here scroll down and go to Recently Deleted. You can view all your recently deleted TikToks over here. Now open the post you want to restore. Then tap on Restore. Tap on Restore again to confirm. You can now find this post back on your feed. Following these steps, you can easily retrieve deleted TikTok videos.